Oh, yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and thank you so much for watching Hair Zipper channel. So let's take a quick look on how we can do the milli dread. Yeah, some people have been asking me what I use and all these steps on how to do the milli dread. So please, let's you can follow all these steps, and trust me, when you do it, you're going to learn how to do it. It is very simple, very simple and fast, and yet it can stay for long. Yeah, Melodroid can even stay for 3 months. Yeah, because it 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 is short, so it doesn't give hard time of pulling it when you're styling it, because most times people when you do a long crochet, at times it comes out very quickly because of over pulling it, over styling, so that makes the cornrows to be loose. But this one is short, so it just remains the way it is. Yes, so that's how uh, we do the cornrows. Yeah, thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing. Guys, you're doing a great job. And if you're watching us right now, this one in the Netherlands, you're doing a great job. Thank you so much. So our corners here are going to be somehow spaced, since the crochet is big. I told you that we should always do the corners that suits our crochets that we're going to do. I can do a small cornrow when I know I'm going to use a big crochet. You understand? So you just have uh, to follow all those rules, yes, whenever you're going to do your crochet. So this is how I do my cornrows. Yes, just like that. My cornrows always stay long because I do it from inside. Yes, you can say it's not from it's not this corner that always be on top, it's just inside. So you can also learn how to do it, because it is very nice, it can last longer. Yes.
Milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, oh yeah, milli dread, 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 oh yeah.
I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely dread. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.
Milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, milli dread, milli dread,
oh yeah,
milli dread, 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 milli dread,
oh yeah.
Yes, so now we're done with our cornrows. Let's do our crochet. Yeah, we're going to be doing the midi braid, and I'm using the soft kink. You can see how it looks. I told you the soft kink always looks like the natural hair, so that's why I always use it. If you see someone with mildred, like when it has grown, yeah, you can even think it's the roll dreads. Trust me. So that's why I love the soft kink when it comes to do the mildred. So the locking here is different. You see how I've tied, and the twisting is just very simple. You just twist it, you don't make it tight. Yes, just like that. Just like that. Very simple. Very simple. This is how we do the milli dread. Yeah, just like that, and then you tie it very tight. So that's how we keep on doing the milli dread. Very simple, very simple. Yep, you can see. Yeah, so since we're home, she wanted some simple touches, one to look good in the quarantine. So I just did the simple makeup, just the eyebrows and the lipstick, and this is the final milli dread. You can see how it looks. Very perfect. I like it. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much.
I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely dread. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.
MILLIDREAD, 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 MILLIDREAD,